I'm Michael Mondragon, graphic designer for Nerdy Connections. Today we're going to fix some stage lighting in Photoshop. So let's go to that right now. Okay, this tutorial is on fixing stage lighting in Photoshop. Now it's going to be probably an underexposed picture. So while I don't have a picture of a stage, this is actually an underexposed picture. So I'm just going to use this as an example of like what you can do. Now, you can actually go here to the dodge tool, and you can actually click on the layer, and you can actually click on there and you can see that it's actually making things lighter. That's good for a tool, and I think that we'll use this later, but let's Command Z that and get it back. We're actually going to do a couple different things first in color adjustment, then we're going to come back and we can use that dodge tool. So let's Command L, and that will bring up the levels. And what we want to do, we actually see that it actually is a little bit underexposed, so we can actually bring that level over. And if I Command Z, you can see that actually brightened it up quite a bit. We still have this very dark part, which actually has a lot of detail on it that I kind of want to bring back. To do that, there's a technique under adjustments, and it's shadow highlights. And this really does a great job in bringing out the highlights and things, but you might want to dial this back a little bit. And you can see this lower area before, we did not even see that it was a continuous, so we actually got pretty dark. So we can bring this down, and what it does is the light parts actually stay consistent, whereas the dark parts actually become lighter. So you can actually have a lot of control over that. So we'll bring that out quite a bit, and I'll show you the difference. I'm going to Command Z, and you can see that that brought out a lot of the highlights in everything, a lot of detail. And now we can go back and we can select this tool, and if there's spots that we actually want to make, like for instance this area, if we want to bring that back a little bit, we can actually make that lighter, and you can see that changing right there. I can actually go on this and actually bring that back a little bit, but this way I can actually do that where I don't have to do it everywhere, and it does it uniformly. And it actually, if I go here to history, we can actually see what we started with, and that was a very, very dark, dingy picture. And I wanted to bring the highlights out, and that's what I did right there. So that's how you fix stage lighting in Photoshop. I'm Michael Mondragon from Nerdy Connections, and we'll see you next time.